So today we are showcasing our machine D-Mig 400, and the purpose of showcasing today's video is to show the feature called as Arc Spot. So in this feature what happens exactly is that we have to set a particular time for which the welding should be done. For example, we have to do stitch welding. So we take that stitch welding time reference as, for example, in this particular welding video, as 6 seconds. So I have set the timer on 5 seconds in the machine, so as to get the even weld length of the stitch. I'll just show you once the job is completed. We are using 0.8 wire for this, 0.8 wire and 20 gas. So this is the most economical model what we have in our line. You can see the weld. This feature is used for uniformity of the weld, precision, to be very precise. Somewhat reduces the toll on the welder's head, that where to start and where to stop. As it automatically stops after like 6 seconds. You just need to keep on pressing the torch switch. Let's see. That is the benefit of Arc Spot.